So today our topic is piston rings. As I've told you, the piston head consists of piston rings. Now we're gonna do deep study. What are piston rings? What are their functions? What are they made of? So let's talk about piston rings. As I've already told you where they are present. So let's see what functions they serve. So first of all, their function is sealing. As we all know, in cylinder the piston will go up and down. Here will be the gases, or you can say fluid. So the piston will compress it and will come down in power stroke. So we need to seal, so there is no pressure leakage. Fuel shouldn't come down, the compression should be proper. So first function is sealing, and second is improving heat transfer from the piston to cylinder walls. So actually what happens is, let's say this is an engine. This consists of, let's say, 3 cylinders, and there the cooling system is present out in the cylinder walls. Like, let's say top view, here are cylinders and this is outer casing of, let's say, engine, and these are cylinders. So the cooling system is present over here, the pipes or the channel is present here, so the cooling occurs here. What piston rings does is, the piston rings act as fins, that is, they increase surface area. In heat transfer you will study what is fins. So these rings increase the surface area, which effectively transfers the heat from ring to cylinder wall. So the heat transfers take place here. Another thing is, as we all know, let's say this is engine casing and these are cylinders. Here are the gear arrangement, and it consists of engine oil, and this is our connecting rod and piston. So piston rings, let's say 3 rings are present over there. Generally there are 3 rings present. 2 are there to handle the fluids above. They don't let the fluid come down, and the last ring, it prevents the engine oil to come up. So these are some basic functions served by the piston rings. And piston rings are generally made of silica cast iron, that is, cast iron having a higher composition of silica. It is made of cast iron, silica cast iron, because it has to bear, first of all, the friction between cylinder walls and itself. Second thing, it has to bear the high temperature and prevent leakage. So it has to be hard, tough, high strength. So it is made of silica cast iron.